Replication crisis and research reproducibility. The replication crisis is a significant challenge facing various scientific disciplines, particularly in psychology, social sciences, and biomedical research. It refers to the difficulty researchers encounter when attempting to reproduce the results of previously published studies. In many cases, attempts to replicate studies fail to produce consistent results, leading to doubts about the validity and reliability of the original findings. This crisis has raised concerns about the robustness of scientific research and its impact on evidence-based decision-making. Causes of the replication crisis. Several factors contribute to the replication crisis. Publication bias. Studies with positive or significant results are more likely to be published than those with null or negative findings. This creates an incomplete representation of the available evidence, leading to an overestimation of effect sizes and increased difficulty in replicating results. Questionable research practices. Researchers may engage in questionable practices, such as data dredging, analyzing multiple variables until significant results are found, or p-hacking, manipulating data analysis to reach statistical significance. These practices can inflate false positive rates and compromise the reliability of findings. Low statistical power. Some studies may have insufficient sample sizes or inadequate statistical power to detect the true effects, making it difficult to replicate results consistently. Lack of methodological detail. Incomplete reporting of research methods and procedures in published papers can hinder replication attempts, as crucial details may be missing. Publication pressure and career incentives. Researchers often face pressure to publish novel and groundbreaking findings to advance their careers, leading to a focus on publishing exciting results rather than rigorously validated ones. Impact on research reproducibility. The replication crisis has significant implications. Loss of trust. Inconsistent or irreproducible results erode public trust in science and academia, leading to skepticism about research findings and their real-world applications. Waste of resources. Replication failures lead to wasted time, effort, and resources that could have been directed toward new research avenues. Delayed progress. Irreproducible findings can mislead researchers and policymakers, delaying progress and hindering the development of effective interventions or treatments. Improving research reproducibility. Addressing the replication crisis requires a collective effort from researchers, journals, institutions, and funding agencies. Here are some strategies to enhance research reproducibility. Open science practices. Encourage open sharing of research data, materials, and pre-registration of study protocols. This fosters transparency and allows other researchers to assess and replicate the study's methods and results. Replication studies and registered reports. Journals should prioritize publishing replication studies and registered reports, where the study protocol is peer-reviewed before data collection, which can help reduce publication bias and highlight replication efforts. Transparent reporting. Researchers should provide comprehensive and transparent descriptions of their methods, data, and analytical procedures in publications to facilitate replication attempts. Improving statistical literacy. Both researchers and consumers of research should have a better understanding of statistical concepts and their interpretation to avoid misinterpretation of results. Collaborative research. Foster collaborations between different research groups to conduct large-scale multi-center studies, which can enhance statistical power and generalizability. Incentive structure. Institutions and funding agencies should prioritize quality and rigor over quantity of publications, rewarding researchers who emphasize replicable and robust research practices. Replication as a norm. Emphasize the importance of replication in research training and encourage early career researchers to conduct replication studies. Addressing the replication crisis requires a cultural shift in the scientific community towards prioritizing methodological rigor and transparency. By adopting open science practices, improving reporting standards, and promoting collaboration, researchers can work together to rebuild confidence in the scientific process and enhance the reliability of research findings.